Ladies and gentlemen, Peter and I, we're going on a camping trip. Why are we going on a camping trip? Because we finished all our shit for travel nursing. We got all the documents done.
I'm unemployed.
Peter's unemployed, I'm unemployed, and we're living life, so we can do whatever I'm not gonna swear this time. We can do whatever we want. Swear? We're gonna do whatever you want. So anyways, we're chilling here and we're gonna go camping for just one night, turn off our cell phones, enjoy nature
While we watch a movie.
Yeah, there'll be some shit. But yeah, guys, so we're all packed up for the most part. Car's gonna get picked up in like 2 days, and we're taking a mini little adventure before that happens. So see you guys.
So we just got done pitching a tent. Thing looks pretty cool for our first time doing it in a very long time. Set up a nice fire, and we're just gonna unwind before we go to Cali, before we start actually freaking packing. So you guys are gonna see us in a crazy motion next week. It's gonna be head over heels, I think, right, Pete?
I mean, the girl's gonna be head over heels.
The girl's gonna be head over heels. So don't forget, guys, to tune in, check us out, subscribe. Peter's opening up a sleeping bag here with a freaking knife.
Nothing like camping with Amazon.
Yeah, we got a bunch of Amazon boxes because that's how we, do our things.
So we
right?
camp.
That's how we camp.
We got back from our camping trip a few days ago, feel mentally and physically refreshed, and now I'm starting to pack up our stuff for California. So we have a little bit of a dilemma. First of all, we just finished recording 2 episodes, a news episode and another interview with one of our buddies, Dr. Matt, is going to come out pretty soon. And so now we have a little bit of a dilemma, like I said. So the issue is our car is being shipped tomorrow, but we're not leaving for California until a few days from now. So we got to plan on how to pack our cars with the majority of our things. And we also have to pack our luggage for when we actually leave for California. Because the key with travel nursing is you want to pack lighter on your plane and keep majority of your stuff in the car because your car is being shipped. So you could pack that bad boy on. But you can't pack it too much because then weight becomes an issue. So pack up the recording stuff first since we're done recording for now. So let's head into it and then I'll pack up my clothes. Just got done packing up my car, my trunk. I got a few bins in the back seat, got my luggage, a few boxes here. And I'm also gonna pack my suitcase for the airport, but that I'll do a little bit later. And last thing I'm holding off packing is my gym bag, because I'm about to hit the gym here in a few minutes. Probably one of my last workouts that I'm gonna do. And our car transportation actually got delayed. It was supposed to get picked up today, but he's pushing it back till tomorrow. So we have another day of car use, because after that, the car's getting shipped and I'm walking everywhere.
So you guys are back at my headquarters now, and I am packing as well, but my situation is a little bit different. So I'm actually leasing out my place, which is awesome about travel nursing. I'm able to double my income, where I'm able to work over there and also bring in some cash from rent. So this is my little man cave. This is where I edit my videos, all this couple nurses stuff, but also I'm going to transform this into the room where all my stuff is going to be held, meaning I just cleaned out my whole kitchen, my whole bathroom of all my personal belongings, just so it's ready for the tenant. So this is it. Looks like a bunch of jargon everywhere. Also, if you look into my room, same thing. And this also has to be put into boxes and ready to roll. So this is that 2-week warning we talk about. It kind of sucks. There's so much going on. Like Peter said, we're podcasting. We have to go to a friend's birthday, and everything's happening, but it's fun, it's exciting, and that's what it's about. Action. Action. Let's get it.
So I got everything packed up. I'm officially putting things in my car. Countdown to 6 days from right now. So it's bittersweet where I was off for 2 months. It was nice. I enjoyed my time off. Now it's time to get back in the game of nursing and everything else related. And I'm pumped.
So we're still waiting here for get our car picked up. We're supposed to get picked up yesterday. Didn't happen. He's supposed to be here today. But Matt spoke to him over the phone, and I guess he's on California time. So who would have known, right?
Yep. So we're 2 hours ahead of time of having our cars packed, ready to go. And that's the thing when it comes to the trucking business, you know, it's not like Amazon where it's next day delivery. So we shall see when he arrives. And in the meantime, we're just gonna sit here and relax and suck up the Chicago sun that's beaming at us.
Yeah, at 50 degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius.
Oh, Peter's wearing a sweater.
I'm cold, man. I'm ready to go. I'm cold, but he's gonna wait. I'm not worried about it. Matt's not worried about it. A couple nurses isn't worried about it. Camera guy's not worried about it. I mean, we get more footage. Yeah. Finally, after like 3 days of waiting, our car is actually getting picked up today and getting shipped to California. So we're supposed to get this shipped, what, 3-4 days ago? Dude had a bail. First of all, dude got the address wrong. He was in California. We are in Illinois, so that would not work unless, you know, you could transport cars magically, but you can't. So
the only issue here is that our car is not going to get on time, correct? So our car is going to come here Monday. So that means that me and Peter have to rent out a Turo or something and kind of
get a nice Prius.
Or yeah, get a Prius to commute for the first 2 days of work before the cars get there Monday. So yeah, that sucks that we're entering, or we have this like bump in the road, but we can't cry over spilled milk. We just adapt and go, right?
Yeah.
Smart humans. Let's go. Finally, as you can tell, the transport has arrived. Something we've been magically waiting for the past 4 days. It is finally here. Are you excited?
I'm very excited, dude. This car's been packed forever. I've been driving around with a bunch of bins. People probably thought I live in my car these past 4 days, dude. But what's interesting is actually they're gonna take our cars and they're gonna take them to Joliet, and then they're gonna ship them out with a different trailer. So a lot of movement with these cars. So good to know for the future, you know. Different business opportunities for us.
Yeah. Don't put anything sensitive in your car that you think might get stolen. You know. I got a bunch of pickles in the car.
Yeah, you do.
I should show the camera. Look at this. This is what Polish parents do when their son is leaving for a long time. They make homemade pickles and they tell him to take this to California. So we are. It's gonna get loaded up. I'm gonna eat a pickle in the vlog when I get back.
Well, the secret is, check this out. So you wanna know why Matt's so big? Because he eats these pickles, and this dude also has gallon protein in the backseat all the time. He just scoops it out like a dry scoop with protein, dude. You know. Today, we're about to do our last gym session. We are at a different gym, a low-key gym, and we're gonna throw some weight around.
Undisclosed location.
Yeah, we're actually at our buddy Luke's gym. A little smaller gym. We'll see. We'll check it out, scope it out. Hopefully there's enough weights for all of us, because, you know, we got Matt. Matt's packing hard. But before, quick dry scoop. This is actually a miniature dry scoop because this is take 2, believe it or not. We can't always get everything in one take.
Peter said something very vulgar right before. I'm like, dude, this cannot be on the film, man.
Yeah, so little mini dry scoop, because if I do another dry scoop, dude, weight's gonna be flowing. Flowing everywhere. But a little bit. It's like water, look at that. We could do it, but whatever. I took a whole one before.
I'm not a fan of this whole dry scooping phenomenon. I just like to put it in water. But of course my gym bag got shipped out in the car, so I gotta be on Peter's routine here. Hopefully I don't cough.
I haven't put pre-workout and water since like the 80s.
Really?
Yeah, I got all over me. It's
All right,
everywhere.
guys. Cheers.
There you go. Remember my first dry scoop? I was in kindergarten.
I just want blue notes, I just want euros. Smoking on good though, whistle from Pluto. Passing like Saturn, I ring. K on my table, there's nothing you bring. I just want blue notes, I just want euros. Smoking on good though, whistle from Pluto. Passing like Saturn, I ring. K on my table, there's nothing you bring. I cannot fuck with these red guys, dripping on and she baptized. Taking her back by her ass, I think she in love with my cat size. Put a little hard like bad vibes, can't give me no cash.
So finally packed up and we're heading to the airport and we're leaving this cold environment. I am cold. I am sick. Sick of it.
Here we go, baby. Rise and grind. This is where it starts right now. Super pumped. PD made a little accident here and we need people to clean up because this hand sanitizer bottle just popped open and it squirted straight up in the air and Peter's all soaked. Wow, we're about to have a burrito.
Well, at least we're all
Freaking
clean.
goof, man. Yeah, at least we're clean. My burrito has some hand sanitizer on there. It's all good.
Is it really? I'll take that one then.
No, a couple drops, all good. So we are 2 hours away from catching our next flight from Denver to Cali. Ordered some food, standard Mexican food, burritos, hand sanitizer, don't forget, hand hygiene.
So we got caught up playing the piano a little bit, and we're getting an Uber ride to our place. So we're gonna arrive there shortly, and then we'll get the night going, right? So we just landed in LA, and we're at our first housing complex. So it's our Airbnb for the next few days before we actually go into our actual home residence for long term. Because we couldn't check in until a few days from now.
We just spent half day freaking airport. I'm kind of exhausted, but I'm down to explore LA. I'm down to get some food, and I'm down to kind of like turn up, just like we said, just for one night, and then tomorrow. I haven't been doing nursing for over 3 months, so I kind of forgot some shit.
We also
75% I know, right? Just like PD says,
Yeah.
but I gotta kind of like brush up on some tests before I take some exams this week.
also have to figure out what gyms are open, if any. Make a few phone calls. So I think I looked online and there was like a few of them that were open. So we'll see about that. But I just want to explore a little bit while we're here.
It's like basically getting dropped into another state, and you just have to figure everything out when it comes to where you're gonna go to the gym, where you're gonna shop, where you're gonna, grab a drink if that's on your radar. Where are you gonna...
Sober October, bro.
Sober October, man, but I'm kind of craving a blue moon with an orange, So this completes vlog number 4. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the transition from Chicago to LA. Next time we will be in the new place and starting orientation, so tune in for that. See you there. Ow, ow!
But first, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Cup of nurses, baby.